Hi there everyone, welcome to Inside Android. Today we are going to talk about splash screen in Flutter. We have already created a splash screen for our Android app and today we are going to create a splash screen in our Flutter. Okay. Now the beauty with Flutter is you can use the same code for Android as well as for iOS device. Okay. So here today I am going to show you how you can create a splash screen. Okay. Now let me start. So I have created this project, and when you will create a new project in Android Studio for Flutter, you will get some code. Okay, so I have removed that particular code from main.dart. So let me start from very beginning just for your learning purpose. Okay, so I'll call void main run app, and here I'll pass a widget class. Okay, so I haven't still created this particular class. Let me create this. This will be a stateless widget. Okay, and here it is asking me to override a particular function. So this is a build function which it is asking for. Okay, and here I'll return material app. Okay, so material app will have a home. Okay, and the home will be my home page. Okay, now here as you can see it is still showing me red. That's because I have not created a particular my homepage class. So I'll create a my homepage class, and this will be a stateful widget. Okay, and with the stateful widget we have to create with the stateful widget we have to maintain a particular state. Okay, so I'm going to return state of particular widget. Okay, so this particular class is responsible for handling state. Okay, let me create a state for that. So I'm not using any of the shortcuts, just so it is easier for you to understand how it actually works. Okay, so I've created a app and I've written a material app, and its home is currently my home page. Okay, and this my home page has a state of splash screen state currently. Okay, now I'll get a method init state here. Okay, so in init state, after calling super.init state, I'll get this method. I'll write here. So here I'll create timer.duration. Here I'll pass timer duration, and in duration I'll pass second 5. So after 5 seconds, if I want to do something, I'll use timer for that. So I'll pass a function, and what this function will do is it will pass navigator dot push replacement. It will first take as a context and then it will take a route. So my route will be material page route, which will take a builder. So my builder will be context home screen. Okay, and I'll put a semicolon here. Okay, is much better looking now. Okay, so first of all I'll create a my home page. Okay, which will be a stateful widget. After a moment of 5 seconds, I'll navigate to another screen, which is my home screen. Okay, now still splash screen state is null because I have to create a particular view for this state. So my view I'll create it here. So this way I'll create a view. I'll return a container, and this container will have background color of dark black or something. I want to give it a gray color. Okay, this will be better, and I'll give it a child of Flutter logo. Its size I want to base it on the height, so the size will be media query of context size dot height. Okay, After this, I want to create a home screen. Okay, so my class ends here. Now I want to create a screen which will be shown after 5 seconds. So this is the home screen which I want to show. So I'll create a home screen. Now again, the home screen will be a stateless widget, which means it will not have any of the state of its own. It will return a build. So it will return a widget. Now here I'll return a scaffold. This scaffold will have its own will have a app bar. And this app bar will take title, so that title will be inside Android example. Okay, and it will have a child. I need to have a body here, and the body will be a center, and the center will have this particular child, and this child will be a text, and the text will read welcome to homepage. Okay, so this is it for now. My homepage is my splash screen, and this home screen is my actual screen. So let me just run it and see how it actually looks. Okay, so we are showing here a splash screen of 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds we are showing our home page. Okay, if you want to open the app, just run it again and you will see how it actually looks. Okay, so you can just click on this particular app and it will show off screen for 5 seconds, and after 5 seconds it shows our home page. Okay, so this is how you build a splash screen in Flutter app. This is it for now. There will be more tutorials coming on the Flutter in future. Thank you so much for watching this channel.